Richard Radke here with a review on multiple income funnel and all the things you get with it. So let me start by showing you all the things you get with it. First of all, if you come in here, it shows you all your links, which are attached to capture pages. I mean, it just each capture page has a link. So you can use as many as you want. I use more than one because depends where I'm sending it to. Then you get all this training that's included with it. First of all, you get weekly training. Then you get marketing system training, which is really good because it shows you all the things you can do to improve your marketing. And then if you come back into training again, and you look at this, you get 7-step. That's different training. First of all, on lesson 1, it says work on your, which means your personality and how to present things and stuff like that. And then you got lesson 2, which is traffic, shows you how to get traffic. Lesson 3 shows you how to do follow-up. Lesson 4, how to do YouTube. Lesson 5, how to do posts on Facebook. And then lesson 6 shows you how to block some time to do this opportunity. And then you got some more bonuses. Then if you come back in here again, and then you take a look at the leaderboard, it shows you all the people that are on the leaderboard. And then if you go to resources, it shows you samples of follow-up emails you can use. You can use these or you can use your own, whatever you feel like. But you should follow up with them because they usually want to know more than they just see from one video. Then if you go into My Business, it shows you all the businesses you got. And then if you click on Bonus Income, that's another one I use. There's basically 4 with the main system. And then this is a bonus one. For $1 a day, I get 100 leads. So at the end of the month, I get 3,000 leads that I can email every day. And I do. And you can also use it as an affiliate. You can make some money if somebody joins you under this. And so this is an awfully good system for that price. Now, and if you come back into, well, now I guess that pretty well tells you all the things you get with it. So now let me tell you, let's say that you decide you like that. So if you go to step 1, that shows you a video here. It's a 21-minute video. Everything about the system and how to get started. And then if you go to step 2 and step 3, those are things that you can put your own opportunities in there. And if you haven't got any, you can use the ones I'm using. And step 4 is Traffic Authority, which is a real good place to get leads. They've been in business for over 10 years now. And I forgot to tell you when we were going to step 1. Now, besides showing you that, if you want to join, right now they got a special on this. Usually $79 a month. Now it's on for half price, $49. And step 2 and step 3 are opportunities I got in there. Both good opportunities, and they each cost me less than $10 a month. And Traffic Authority is free to join, and it depends how many leads you get at what cost is going to be. Of course, the more leads you get, it's cheaper per lead, but of course the total is more. So that gives you a pretty good idea. And I'm also going to put a link under the video that shows you Matt can do this video. In a 21-minute video, does a better job than I do. And you can also join with that same link. And I'm also going to put my contact information in there. So in case you want to ask me some more questions, you can contact me. And I think that's about all I'm going to say for today. So I'm hoping that you're having a great weekend, because beautiful weather here anyway. And enjoy the rest of your weekend and your Sunday. So bye for now.